Hi, I'm Swarali, and in today's video we are going to deal with the comparison. You just scroll through your phone and you see people achieving, traveling, achieving the success, building their own path, and you just feel small there. You just think that why am I not there? But the truth is that you're not late, you are just in process. So just stop just comparing, start building, because just the reason is that you are just looking the people, but firstly start building. So in today's video we are going to deal with the comparison. We are going to see that what comparison does to your mind. So stay with me till the end. Let's dive in. So there's the invisible pressure that we are all having, that whenever we are scrolling the phone, at that time we are just seeing the people achieving their successes, achieving their dreams, fulfilling their dreams, and we are just thinking that why am I not there, why am I not getting these things, or why am I not getting my success? But the truth is that, as I told you, that you are not late, you are in process. Just you need the practices, you need to build your own success. You just don't need to compare to anyone else, to yourself. You just need to build your own success, your own path. Just don't think about the people, that if they are building, if they are getting their success, so it means that you should also get, because your journey is different, their journey is different. Your journey is not linear. Even anyone's journey is not linear. It is filled with the pauses, the turns, the gaps. And that's why if someone is achieving it before you, it means not like that you are not in the race. It means just like, it may be like your journey is filled with many pauses and their journey is having a little bit turns, not much. That also it means. So just don't think about that. If someone is achieving success before you, it not means like that you can't do it. You can do it. Just you have to recognize your power. Just you have to build your success. Just stop comparing. Once you stop comparing, automatically your success will, you will achieve it before anyone else, because you are wasting your time to comparing yourself with anyone else. Don't compete. The sun and the moon never compete with each other. They shine when it's their time. So that's why your time will also come. Firstly, you have to believe in yourself and stop comparing. Start building. It's very important to stop compare, because firstly you are wasting your whole time to compare. Why we compare? Because we just want to be like them. Everyone in this universe, we starts comparing with them. But firstly, if you stop comparing, then definitely your progress will, you will see your progress. Because firstly we are just wasting our time to just compare with each other. Firstly stop comparing. And what you have to do while you are comparing, at that time just you don't want to just point out your mistakes. You want to just see it, you want to improve it. Just don't think about your mistakes, that I did this mistake and that's why I am not capable, I am not worthy. You're just thinking like that. But don't think like that, because we compare. Because everyone, we just, from our birth we are just start seeing that everyone is comparing with anyone else, everyone is comparing themselves. But firstly, if you compare yourself with your past self than comparing with anyone else, it would be very grateful. You would definitely see a result if you compare yourself with your past self, not with anyone else. Because firstly you want to just be the best version of yourself, not anyone else. Because what they are doing, what they are achieving, it doesn't matter. Firstly you have to just think of that, what am I just, how am I doing now than my past self. Because your past self was not that much good, and now you are just achieving successes, you are achieving your small wins. That you have to do, you have to be the best version of yourself. Just do this thing for some days and just think that, just see the result. That firstly stop comparing with anyone else and start comparing with your own self, your own past self. And then just see your mistakes, that your past self, what the past self was doing mistake, and now you have to improve it. That you have to see. So just see this. And because comparison, what the comparison is doing with your mind, it's just stopping your progress. Firstly, you are thinking in your head to compare. Firstly, you are comparing, and it is stopping your the progress. That's why the comparison is a silent enemy. That's why firstly you have to just remove this from your mind, the comparison. Compare with yourself with anyone else. Just what about comparison is not like that you have to compare themselves and you have to be like them. Otherwise you will feel small, you will feel low to yourself, that you are not capable. Comparison should be like, firstly, if you are not having if you are not able to do something and someone else is doing that, you have to learn from them. But you're just pointing out yourself, you're just thinking of yourself that you are not capable. That means not comparison. So that is comparison doing. Because when you see to someone else and you're just thinking, your motivation is there decreasing. That's why firstly don't compare to your past self, and just think that how can I improve myself now, how can I improve from my past self. This you have to think. So let me tell you a story about two builders. There was once upon a time, there was two friends. At that time, they both want to build their own home. So first friend was very interested to build it before someone else will build it. So he wants to just he was like in a race, he wants to just win that race. So he was building it day by day with fastest speed. But the problem is that because of comparison, the base was not perfect, the base was weak. The buildings, the pillars was very beautiful, but the base was weak. And the second person who is building it with slowly, but the base was perfect. Everything, the second person is doing it perfectly. He was not thinking about the comparison, that I have to compete with that person because that person is just building it fastly and I'm building it slowly. That person is not doing that. But when the rain came at that time, the first person who built it fastly, the house collapsed. But the second person who built it slowly, their home stood very strongly. But the people were just laughing at that second person, that you can't, just you are too slow, you are not doing it fastly, you can't do your, just you can't build your home. That comments was there for that second person. But when the rain came, the first person house collapsed because the base was weak. Because he was in too hurry, because he wants to just build it quickly before someone else will build. That was in his mind, that he wants to just compete with the second person. But the second person was not thinking of that, and that's why his house just stood strongly. The lesson we learned: just stop wasting your time to compete your speed to others. Because as the first person, his house just collapsed because of the comparison, but the second person was not doing it, so that's why his house stood strongly. That you have to just apply these lessons on yourself, that stop comparing yourself, just start building. Your speed may be slow, it may be fast, but firstly you have to build your own success with consistency. And just don't think that I am in the race and I want to win this race. Just don't be in the race, just be your best version of yourself. That you have to do. Just don't compare yourself, because build your own path. Just don't think about anyone else's path, think about your own path, that how can I improve my own path, how can I improve my success. That you have to think, because you have to stop comparing. And let me tell you that how to stop comparing. That firstly you have to limit social media. Because you are just scrolling your phone and you are just thinking about the anyone else success, that this person is achieving success, so why am I not, am I not capable, or am I too weak to just build my own success. You have to just think of the anyone else success, but you have to apply it as a lesson, not as a dismotivation lesson. Because you're not motivating your own self, that this person is achieving the success, so I will also do this. But you're just thinking that I'm not capable, so that's why I can't do this, and that's why you are just dismotivating your own self. Don't do that one. So that's why limit social media. Focus on your daily wins, because your small wins matters, because it creates giant results. So that's where tiny wins, you have to just celebrate it, you have to just focus on it. That's why you have to, whenever you are getting small wins, at that time you have to just focus on that. You have to also improve it, that you have to do. And celebrate others genuinely. Whenever someone is getting success, don't just feel that why am I not getting. Just think that okay, this person got, but I will also do this, I will also get, I will also be the best version of myself. That you have to do. So celebrate other genuinely. Just don't be selfish. Don't just think that this person is getting success, why am I not, so I will not celebrate their success. Don't think this. Celebrate others genuinely. And track your progress. Whenever you are in progress, you are in process, at that time what you are doing, how you are just getting to your track, how you are just getting to your success, you are getting day by day closer or not, that you have to do. So track your progress, that how you are achieving success, slowly, fastly, in medium speed, that you have to do. So track your progress and surround yourself with builders, not talkers. Whoever is just talking and not building, just talking every day but not doing anything else, don't just surround yourself with those people. Surround yourself with the builders, whoever is just building themselves, their success, but they are talking less but they are building more. That persons, you have to be with them, you have to surround yourself with them, because those persons matters. Because whenever you are surrounding yourself with talker persons, they are only talkers, they are not doing anything and they will not let you do also. So that's why surround yourself with the builders, not talkers. Think about the Thomas Alva Edison. He failed before inventing a light bulb for 10,000 times, but later he invented the light bulb. But he was not giving up there. He was not comparing himself with others, that I'm just failing 10,000 times and I'm not capable. He was not just doing this. He failed many times, but he learned from the failures. So that's why he was not comparing with anyone else. So that's why these legends, we are now just remembering their names, we are just remembering them. Why? Because they are not stopping, they are not just comparing themselves, they are just comparing with their selves only, their past selves. They are just being the best version of themselves. So that you have to do. And shift your focus, because firstly you're like, I want to be like them. No, I want to be like the best version of myself, as I told you. So when you feel behind, just remember this: you don't need to run faster than others, just keep moving. Comparison kills creativity, but building creates confidence. When you just compare less, you grow more. So that's why just stop watching, start working, stop comparing, start building.